21 years of age. She presently resides at Barangay San Miguel, San Simon, her motto in life, time is gold. Once again, our candidate number 1, Miss Solen Yusuf.
Together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Let's move on to our candidate number 2, Miss Carla Abestia.
Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found
Miss Carla Abestia is 16 years old. Presently resides at 405 San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga. Her motto in life is experience is the best teacher.
What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart.
Number 3, number 2, Miss Carla Abestia. Our next candidate is candidate number 3, Miss Rita Aguila. Miss Rita Aguila is 24 years of age. Fatima Sanchez, San Simon, Pampanga. Her motto in life is, don't be a part of the problem, instead be a part of the solution. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 3, Miss Rita Aguila. Let's all welcome our next candidate number 4, Miss Rian Ramos. Miss Rian Ramos is 18 years of age. Presently resides at Cansinala, Apalid, Pampanga. Her motto in life is, it's better to give than to receive.
Bakit di magawang limutin ka? Bawat sandali, ika'y naaalala. Tangi kong nasa sa may
Once again, our candidate number 4, a 5 feet 11 inches tall, Miss Rian Ramos. Thank you, candidate number 4, Miss Rian Ramos. Candidate number 5 is Miss Kylie Padilla. 22 years old, resides at Barangay San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga. Once again, Miss Kylie Padilla. Miss Kylie believes what is beauty. If your brain is empty. Once again, candidate number 6 is Kylie Padilla. Candidate number 6, Miss Alessandra De Rossi. Miss Alessandra De Rossi is 15 years of age and believes in saying that I can do what man can do, and I can do also what a woman can do. Once again, candidate number 6, Miss Alessandra De Rossi. It's your time to shine, candidate number 7, Miss Katrina Halili. Miss Katrina Halili is 22 years of age and presently resides at Barangay San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga.
In this crazy world,
She believes that education is the key to
everything
success.
I try to find, your love is a pearl.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 7, Miss
You're my
Katrina
rainbow
Halili.
skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my
Our next candidate is Miss Maui Taylor, our candidate number 8.
and the seasons will change.
Miss Maui Taylor is 25 years of age and presently resides at Santa Cruz, San Simon, Pampanga.
And straight we'll have our fill.
Her motto in life is Once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 8 is Maurice Taylor. Our last but not the least candidate number 9 is Kylie Padilla. Is 16 years old.
From a lifetime of smiles.
She was resigned at 406 Samuel Pampanga. And she believes in the saying that education is the key to successful life.
We can laugh about how time really flies. We won't say goodbye.
Once again, candidate number 9 is Kylie Padilla.
Always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 9 lovely candidates for our next is candidate number 2.
Just beneath the moon, there's a man we've been meant to keep. And sleep will fall, washouts, rags, and paper bags, homes and lives passing by. See the beauty in your life.
There you have it, our 9 lovely candidates for their long gown competition. Okay. Isang smile. Okay, pipili daw na Miss Close-Up Smile yung mga judges natin. So, isang best suit, Miss Gay Universe 2012 goes to candidate number. Sino? Candidate number? I think one of our audience got it. Candidate number 1, Miss Salen Yusuf.
The show is about to start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of.
Okay, while we are waiting for the tabulators, once again I would like to thank the Lane Company to be awarded by Mr. Jonald Yambao, the MYC President 2012. And the best in talent goes to candidate number. Ang bumulabog sa inyo, candidate number 3, Miss Rita Avila. Thank you so much, Mr. Jonald Yambao. Our next award is the Miss Feminine Look, to be awarded by Mr. Ian Clemente. Sir? And the Miss Feminine Look goes to Sina, candidate number. Sina, candidate number 1, Miss Salen Yusuf. Thank you so much, Mr. Ian Clemente. Close-Up Smile, to be awarded by Mr. Julius Kunanan. Sir? Sino kaya ang napili ni Sir? Pinapatay niya talaga yung ilaw para makita kung sino ang natural. Sina? Posible. And our best in Close-Up Smile goes to candidate number. Pakita muna ng Close-Up Smile. The candidate number 5, Miss Kylie Padilla, to receive a cash, a trophy and a sash, and to be awarded by Mr. Julius Kunanan. Please welcome candidate number 5, Mr. Kylie Padilla. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miss Kylie. Eto na. Susunod nating award, Darling of the Crowd. Naku. Sino kaya ating magiging Darling of the Crowd? Sino ba ang may mas malakas na palakpakan? Sino? Candidate number 1. Naku. Candidate number 2. Number 3. You got it! Candidate number 3, Miss Rita Avila! Akot Award. Hi, thank you so much, Mrs. Cherry Alfaro. Sorry, hindi kita na-acknowledge kasi na-excite ako kay Miss Rita Avila.